we're going on a 10-day trip, camping trip, and I need to organize, 10 days worth of clothes because we're not going to be washing anything until, well, maybe somewhere along the way. So I bought these Amazon Basics. I'll have the size on the screen of the ones that I purchased. And the idea is I wanted to show you what I fit in here. I got 10 days worth of socks, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just, and then some heavy wool socks for the nights. All right. And that's same size. We got underwear, 10 days of underwear in here. Don't need to go through all of that. And then I've got, I think, 8 days of ribbed muscle shirts in here because I only own 8. Well, I own more, but these are the ones that I bought specifically for the trip. This comes in a 4-pack. So I'm going to throw some of my day-to-day t-shirts in here. And yeah, not compressing at all. Just really nice packing cubes.